Everyone, welcome back to Youngcraft Academy. So in this video we are going to create a interesting game called zombie game in Scratch. So it will be very easy and it will be very super fun. So let's go. First of all we are going to open our scratch.mit.edu. Okay, so after that what we are going to do is we are going to add some background. Okay, so first of all for zombie games we will upload. Okay, we have a backdrop zombie game. We'll select from here, so we need a two background. One is this. Okay, so we'll convert it to vector, then we will just fit this exactly into the screen. Okay, like this, just we need to fit into the screen. Okay, so let me fix this. Okay, so we have fixed this screen, so I'll delete this white background one. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I will just select another also, so we have a game over also, so we'll select this one. Okay, so simply we'll just uh, okay, so we'll convert into vector, so we'll just put it here, game over, like this. Okay, so we'll go into the code. So wait, just wait, let me I need to add this into this. Okay, so I'll just copy, I'll just paste it here. Okay, like this we are gonna create it. So I'll just simply duplicate this one, I'll just delete it. Okay, like this you can do, it will be more good. So I'll just expand this one so that it will look more good little bit. So like this. Okay, game over, backdrop one, backdrop two, like this. Okay, so we are gonna okay, so first let me select this. Okay, first let me delete this one. Okay, I just need a simple background also one. Okay, like this. So now we'll go to the code. So now what I'm going to do is I need to create at least of five. Okay, five sprite. So we'll just upload it from here, upload sprite. Okay, so go to the zombie game again, we'll select sprite. So first of all I need a soldier. Okay, so I'll select this soldier. Okay, so I'll open it. So soldier will be here, suppose. So let me go to the costume, let me convert into vector so that I can adjust the size. Okay, so I will just adjust the size, I'll just point it towards the center so that it will be easy for me. I'll just minimize it little bit. No, I'll just reduce the size, I can reduce the size as well from here. Okay, I'll just reduce the size to 40, not 40. I'll just reduce to 70. Okay, 70 is perfect, so it will come here and it will come here. Okay, like this. So now what I'm going to do is I'll go to the code, I'll just upload one sprite of what, of bullet one. Okay, I'll just open it, bullet. So bullet firing should be from here. Okay, so from the pistol, so I will just select the bullet size also, so I'll make it to 10. Okay, so I'll just make this as small as I can. So let me put this exactly at the gun point. Okay, so you can also, okay, it's fine now. So what I'm gonna do next is I'll just select a zombie. Okay, we need a zombie also. So there is three zombie, one zombie, two zombies, three zombies. So the it's the zombie costume actually. So I'll open zombie one first. Okay, so like this I'll just open it and I'll just make it here. Okay, so I'll reduce the size to 70. 70 is also too big, I think it will be 40 around. Okay, zombie size will be 40, that's good. Okay, so I'll select another zombie as well. So zombie 2. Okay, okay, nice. Okay, I'll select this zombie 2 here, so I'll just put it here. So I'll reduce the size to 40. Okay, okay, nice. Okay, one zombie will be here and another zombie will be exactly here. Okay, okay, nice. So now what I'm going to do is I need a barbed wire also. So I'll just select upload sprite, go to this barbed wire.png and open it. Okay, so this is a I'll just select it from, go to the costume. Okay, wait, let me convert to vector first so that it will be easy. Let me just move it little bit, let me curve it little bit. Okay, so like this. Okay, now I'm going to put it here. Let me put it through here as well, so I can definitely. So I need to make this size little bit small. I'll just put it here 80. Okay, 80 will be perfect, I guess. So okay, I'll just put it here. Okay, our this will be a bullet fire. Okay, let me. It's not. Okay, I'll just select the bullet first. Select it towards the gun firing. Okay, nice. And this barbed wire also, let me select here, and I'll just put it little bit behind so that it will be more challengeable. Okay, nice, 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 nice. So now what we have created till now, we have selected two backdrops and five sprite in total, right? So now what I'm going to do is I need a variable called kills. Okay, so how many zombie you are going to kill? So according to that, the score will be, so I'll name it as kills. Okay, okay. So you can see at the top it is kills, right? So now what I'm going to do is I'll just first let me put a code for the soldier. Okay, so I'll go to the events when green flag clicked. Okay, so I'll go to the control, use forever loop. Okay, so after that if then, so I'll put a if then condition. Okay, so for the up down arrow. Okay, so key when green flag click, so I'll put go to the sensing, so use this key space. Okay, so for up, so this soldier will go up, it will fire it, again it will come down. So for this we need to set a position also, go to X. Okay, so right now the position is 195 and minus 120, right? So let me put this 222 and let me put this one as minus 61. Let me first see it. Okay, up arrow. Okay, up arrow, it the soldier will go here. Okay, okay. So now I just need it duplicate one. I'll just copy it. Now down arrow, so simply what I'm going to do is I'll just put it to 19. Okay, wherever you can fit, wherever it is good, you can just do it. Okay, when green flag click, now let me see. Okay, so the soldier is coming here, here. Okay, like this is good. Okay, so if you wants to make it here, okay, you can also make it from here like this also. Okay, like this you can fire it. Okay, so I'll just rename it also, so zombie game, so it will be zombie shooting game. I'll just name it as zombie shooting game, game. Okay, nice. So I'm also gonna put a sound, so when green flag clicked, okay, just stop it for a while. So sound need to be continuously running, so I'll use forever. So after that what I'm going to do is play sound of what, so background sound I needed. So I'll just upload, you can download it from the description link. Okay, so back, no, don't go to the sound. So you can use this background sound. Okay, or just open it and go to the code again and press this one. Okay, background sound. Okay, like this what you are going to do is you can use this. Okay, nice. So now what I'm going to do is you can just the background sound started from here. Okay, so now I'm going to for the bullet as well. Okay, so when I need to make a clone, no, first I'll need to make a clone. Yes, I need to make a, so when green flag click, the original need to be hide first. Okay, so I'll use this hide block. So I need to make it repeated, so I use forever loop. So after that what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this if then condition. So if then, if, so the firing is always from left arrow, so I'll use this key. So I'll go use select this left arrow. Okay, so left arrow will be for firing. Okay, so now first I'll add the sound. Okay, go to the record, upload the sound. So from here you can upload the sound as well. Upload sound gunshot, I need a gunshot, so I'll open this one. So go to the code and it starts sound gunshot. Okay, so whenever I just press the left arrow, so it will start gun sound. Okay, so after that what I'm going to do is I'll just wait how much, 0.3 second. Okay, so I'll just press 0.3 second. Okay, now, so now what I'm going to do is I'll just create clone of that. So create clone of what, create clone of myself, that means of bullet. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is when I start as a clone, okay, so I'm gonna clone for myself. So I'll just, so clone should be so I'll use show block. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I need to attach to the soldier, the firing should come from the gun itself. So I'll just use the go to the motion. So you have a go to option, so just look for it, go to okay, yeah, we have go to random person. So you set this go to soldier. Okay, so it will directly stick to the soldier after that. Okay, so control, go to control, this is repeat until. So till when we need to call, till when we need to, like, for how much we need to repeat the game. Okay, so it will tell. So go to the operators, so put a condition. Okay, so till minus 140. Okay, so go to till minus 140. So of what, of x position. Okay, don't forget to put this x position also. So repeat until x position is less than minus 140. So we need to change the x direction, change x by how much, minus 10. Okay, so because it's going to the left side. So after that, what I'm going to do is go to the control and delete the clone. Okay, so delete this clone. So this is now look. So we have so I need to fix the position. If fixing the position, so it will fire directly, fire the gun itself. Okay, okay, we'll fix the position through costume. So for now this much. So now we have zombie code left, and barbed wire code left. Okay, so we'll see in next video. Till then, bye bye.